everybody, my name is Elise Kiera, and on today's video I'm going to be doing something really special. This is going to be like a self-care Sunday for me and my hair, and I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics Rice Water Collection. So I'm going to start off with using the rice water split-end therapy. I'm going to focus on the ends and then put a shower cap on for 10 minutes and let it sit. After rinsing it out, I'm going to go ahead and apply the rice water hydrating shampoo. Typically, I would be in the shower using this, but just want to show you guys, it's actually pretty moisturizing as it says it should be. So this is what my hair is looking like after the wash. I'm going to go ahead and apply the rice water clay mask. I'm going to start by spraying my hair down a little bit and then go ahead and applying the mask. The mask does have a nice consistency. It is easy to apply, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue to apply it and detangle my hair. This mask is good to use, once every 2 weeks, once a month to refresh and reset your hair, which is why I wanted to use it for my self-care Sunday. So after I've applied it to the 4 sections of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put the shower cap on and let this sit for 30 minutes. After that, I will deep condition. So this is the aftermath of the clay mask. Next, I'm going to go ahead and spray down my hair and apply the rice water moisture milk leave-in to my hair. I'm going to go in, apply it to a larger section of my hair, and then I'm going to go in, split it into 2, and then detangle. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Mielle Coil Sculpting Custard. I love to do my wash and goes with this custard. It does provide some great definition. So I think that this will be a great pair with the rice water moisturizing milk. And then I'm going to go ahead and just continue to apply the milk and then the custard on top to the rest of my hair. And here is my hair after applying both of those products to one side of my head. All right, so this is the results of my self-care Sunday wash day using the Mielle Organics Rice Water Collection. I had a great experience using the rice water, which is definitely great for, split ends, for length retention, for moisture. So I'm going to finish this off. I let my hair air dry and then I stretched it. And I'm going to finish it off with the Shine Mist. This is great for length retention. It is okay for daily use. So I'm going to just add a little bit of this to my hair just for some extra shine. Smooth that in. I'm going to go back in with my pick and ensure that everything is looking good. And this is it. So I'm gonna just turn around so you can see. My hair is bouncy. It's nice and moisturized. So if your focus for your natural hair is, length retention, for prevention of split ends and breakage, I definitely would suggest for you to check out the rice water line. Today, I'll just kind of go back through the line. I use the split end therapy, kind of like a pre-poo to prevent these split ends. I followed up with the hydrating shampoo. This was a great shampoo. It was not super stripping. My hair felt moisturized, smelled great, and I got a great lather as well. I also used the rice water clay mask to detoxify your hair, as well as add some moisture back in. This is recommended to use about every 2 weeks or so. I followed up with the moisturizing hair milk to add some moisture back in as well. And then on top of that, I use the Coral Sculpting Custard. It's always a tongue twister for me. And then I just added on the Shine Mist to my hair to finish off and polish this style. So definitely when you are feeling like your hair needs that extra boost and you want to give it a bit of self-care, definitely try out the rice water collection. All right. Bye.